Here's Goldwagen's expert advice on what to do if you hear an oscillating sound coming from your vehicle. Let's be honest, hearing a funny noise coming from your vehicle is like hearing that petrol's going up again. Not nice. But don't stress, here's a few simple tips for you to uncover that irritating sound and get it sorted. So, if you hear an oscillating sound when you're turning a corner, it could indicate a U-joint problem. Also known as a universal joint, this is an essential part that connects the drive shaft to the transmission and differential. If it's damaged, it can lead to a range of issues including serious safety hazards. The U-joint enables transmission of power from the engine to the wheels to give movement in various directions. And when it wears out or is damaged, it creates a noticeable sound, either a clunk or a thump that can come with some vibrations. When you experience this, contact a qualified mechanic immediately. He or she will inspect the U-joint and other related components such as drive shaft, differential and transmission. They'll also check for wear and tear, damage and misalignment and replace the necessary parts. Remember that regular inspection and maintenance of the U-joint and related components are essential for the overall safe operation of your vehicle. This can also prevent costly repairs, and we know you don't want that. Sharing is caring. When you know, so get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice, catering for all top vehicle brands.